Hello there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an end-to-end Cypress automation framework which has integration with CI/CD with our best practices and the kind of services that we provide. I'm Siddharth Desai, a lead automation engineer here at Testriq. So let's dive in. A Cypress framework where I have automated Orange HRM. Orange HRM is a human resource management system. It is a web app. So I'm just using it for demo purposes of this Cypress automation framework that I have created. So I'll just quickly walk you through the kind of code and the framework that we have implemented. As you can see, this is one of my tests, and you can see this verify links broken, verify links not broken. So you can see this code is very readable, and it is because we have implemented page object model. So if we can just go here and see, here is all the code and here it is getting called. So whenever there is some reusability needed, we have used that, written the code here, and then we are calling it here. This makes the code very readable. This makes the code very easy to maintain. And then when something is changed in the development, we don't have to make changes at multiple places. We just have to make changes at one place and it will be reflected in all the places. We also use Cypress commands for something that is used all over the site. We have created a Cypress login command, and you can see that we are using it everywhere. So here in login, in every page we use this sci.login HRM, which also makes it very easy, very reusable and easy to maintain. I will just quickly run something for you here. We can use multiple browsers, any browser that we want. Here I will just go with the standard one, and I will run something for you here. You can see it logged in, it had this assertion, it made that assertion, it passed, so it went ahead. Here, and here it took a screenshot. We have added that piece of code here, if you can see. So it takes a screenshot and we have it saved here to track our progress, everything here. So both the tests passed. So I'll give another example. I've made this test fail purposefully so as to give you an example. So when this fails, what my tests do is that, you see here, attempt 1 failed, so it is attempting again. So it will retry on its own, because a lot of times the animations is slow, your internet is slow, for whatever reason the test fails, but it is not, nothing has actually broken. So here it tries again and again only 3 times, because I have given 3 retries. We can just go to the code and I can show you as well. So here I have given 2 in run mode. So one time it tries on its own, and I've added 2, so it will try 2 more times, so in total 3 times. So if it fails all 3 times, only then it will give you a failure. So you will know for sure that something is broken here. We have also added implemented Mocha Awesome report integrated here, and this is how the report looks like. Here you get the whole time of the run time of the test suite, how many tests were run, how many passed, how many failed, and you can just go to the, if you just want to get more information on the ones that are failed, you can have it here. As you can see, if you click on this, you get this screenshot attached, so you know what failed here. This is something that had failed, and you can also watch the video. So video get attached to the real report, so you get a hold of everything. And not just this, we have also integrated CI/CD. So on every GitHub push, it will trigger on its own. I'll just skip through to the push part here, and let's just go here. Here you can see it has already started running, and if we can click on it and just go here, and we will get to see everything that is happening here. And because we have one test that fails, what will happen is that every time something fails, Circle CI will also send us an email notifying that, hey, something is going wrong or something is failing. So here we are running the tests right now. Here are all the tests and the browser that is being used. So every time your developer or your tester makes any changes to the code, if there are any changes in the development also, every time a developer pushes the code to the GitHub, it gets triggered to Circle CI, and Circle CI will run this on its own without any human intervention. What this does is this saves a lot of time, a lot of energy, and you can always be sure. Now changes can happen at any time, and a tester or a QA engineer won't be available at all of those times, but this will always be there. So this will happen on its own. Now see, you can see that because this has failed, we'll just go to the email and we'll see that we have this email as well. I can just open the latest one, and here we can see that our build was failed because we have a few tests that are failing. So we get all of this We can run this locally as well. So as you can see, we have everything. We have Circle CI integration or any other CI/CD platform that you would be interested in. We have reports like Mocha Awesome reports, and we have a very well written code. We are following a good framework where the code, all the reusable code is there. We have retries, we have put all the data in one place, and this makes the code very scalable and very easy to maintain. And this is the kind of services, end-to-end services, that we provide, from writing the code from scratch to Circle CI or any other CI/CD platform integration. For services like this, please reach out to us. You have the contact information on the screen. We are testriq.com, or you can contact me, myself Siddharth Desai. You have my email address on the screen as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.